Hello.
Hey,
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Alex Mtegi.
Okay. Alex.
Yes.
Tell us about you.
Uh, I'm a graduate of process engineering from the University of Saint Algeria. And on the side of my experience, I did an internship at Cipla Chemicals Limited. I also worked as a volunteer at the wastewater treatment plant of Saint Algeria. And I currently work as a trainee at Cipla Chemicals Limited.
Okay.
On the personality side, I'm a diligent person, meticulous, detail-oriented, consistent, collaborative, endowed with leadership skills, and passionate about solving societal problems.
Okay.
Eh,
Why do you think we should hire you?
I should be hired because first, because of my diverse exposure and lead experience, and this can broaden the knowledge sharing ecosystem at the company. Secondly, because of my consistency, the positive consistency, and it is consistency that makes us grow, and this will help me in ensuring quality production by consistently follow and respect of standard operating procedures and compliance to the good manufacturing practices.
Okay. Short question. Apart from your mother tongue or the language you speak at home, and English, what other language could you speak?
I can speak French by the way, and this can help me work with.
Are you fluent?
Yes, I'm fluent in French,
Okay.
and that can help me to work with clients or partners of different countries and backgrounds.
All right. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Why do you think you want to work with us? Do you think you want to work with us? And why?
Yes, I want to work with you because I would like to be among those that contributed to the further development of the company. And secondly, I would like to gain more experience as well as aiding the company to achieve its goals and objectives.
All right. Okay.
Yes.
What can you do for us?
I I can work as a production officer, verifying of batch manufacturing records. I can do documentation. I can inspect quality and ensure compliance to quality control standards.
Okay. Oh, so you said Mr. Mutebi? Mr. Mutebi again?
Yes.
Okay. You said you trained before with a pharmaceutical company.
Yes.
That is true?
Yes.
Okay. Tell us about it. Are you familiar with GPM or
Yes.
GMP?
Yes.
Okay. What is GMP?
GMP stands for Good Manufacturing Practices, and it is part of quality assurance that ensures consistent quality and safety of products manufactured.
No, what are the components of GMP?
The components of GMP include premises, equipment, um, personnel, validation, documentation,
Okay.
and audit.
Okay. What do you think would be an ideal work environment for you? An ideal work environment for you. What do you think would be an ideal work environment for you?
I would love a work environment that is safe because safety comes first, and also a work environment that is full of diverse and exposed people, because this leads to creation of competent teams that can solve and troubleshoot problems, which leads to better performance.
Have you been in a laboratory before?
Yes,
Have you done some practicals in a lab?
yes, I've done some.
Okay. Tell us. Tell us something about that. how would you prepare a solution, or how can you prepare a solution? In brief, just in brief, because.
Okay. We can basically prepare a solution two ways depending on its nature. First, if it's a solution, let's say you know the mother solution, you know its concentration and volume, so you can we can use the dilution formula, which is C1V1, which is equal to C2V2. Then you compute for the volume you want to take from the mother solution.
Okay.
Yes, and then secondly, if it's a solid, let's say you know the concentration of the solid you want to make and the volume, you can use the molar concentration formula, and then you compute for the mass, then you put it into a volumetric flask, and then you fill the flask with distilled water until the graduation mark.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
What do you understand by non-compliance?
Non-compliances occur.
Non-compliance. Yes. Non-compliance. Okay. Yes. Go on.
Non-compliances occur when an organization fails to comply to its standards, regulations, and policies relevant to its operations.
Could you be having some examples of non-compliance?
This can include a failure of workers to wear protective personal equipment, failure to follow the standard operating procedures, and then also failure to report to relevant authorities.
Okay. What are the consequences of regulatory non-compliances?
The consequences of non-compliances can be costly to the company and also the employees. This can include death of employees, damage property or property of the damage, and then reputational damage of the company.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Alex Mutebi. Let's prepare maybe for part 2, the second part for the interview. And
All right.
okay.